shrimp.
Mila and Morphle, look at the mess you made.
Oops. Sorry, Daddy.
And who is going to clean this up?
We will. Right, Morphle? Come, Morphle. It's our mess. Morphle, catch! Whoosh! Whoa! Hoo! Score! That was fun! Yeah!
Wow! That was fast. You've already cleaned up the mess. You have definitely earned these ice creams.
Yay!
Ice cream?
Morphle? Why are you carrying around a house?
For play. Now for one the ice cream.
Where the heck am I?
Morphle, you can't just go play around with other people's stuff. You have to bring it back. And until you do, no ice cream. But we can help you, Morphle. Morphle, morph into a robot as well. Could you show us the usual location of your house?
Yes, of course. It's that way.
Okay, let's go. Did you do all this, Morphle?
It was him, all right.
Looks like we have some work to do. Okay, let's get busy. Daddy, we're back. What happened here, Daddy?
Well, I was doing some gardening, and one thing led to another. But let's have some ice cream.
But, Daddy, don't you need to clean up your mess before you can have ice cream?
Yeah, I guess so.